GoMining recently advertised that lower level miners will be able to join clans that were in lower level leagues and still be able to compete. So I did a full week of miner wars, and this is what I had to report. Before this update, back in February, you can see I did another week of miner wars. I made 1,047 sats. Not good. Well, this week I'm happy to report that I made 5,082 sats. If you look at my solo mining, you can see that I was making about 730 sats a day. You times that by 7, that's 5,110 sats. A little bit more than I made through Miner Wars. Not much though. And I do want to point out that I joined Miner Wars early Monday morning, so that could explain the slight sat difference. So my plan is to do this for another month and see how this goes. I do get a lot of phone notifications on my phone for this, so if it remains the same, I'll probably go back to solo mining. Real quick, I want to point out that in my last GoMining update video, I mentioned weekly tasks for GoMining tokens. Well, of course, the week after I post that, I don't see these tasks anymore. But if they ever do come up again, I'll let you know as soon as possible. But I do apologize for the false alarm. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the video. If I do end up with more sats through Miner Wars than I do with solo mining over a month, I'll do a full breakdown of Miner Wars. If I don't, and I just end up going back to solo mining, I don't really see the point, and that'll be that. Time will tell, I guess. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. If you want to help out the channel, please use the QR code you see on the screen. You'll receive 5% off your first miner for GoMining. You can also find a referral link in the description. It's greatly appreciated, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.